Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have Lelit Anna. Came into the shop because as the machine heated up, the pump didn't have enough pressure to actually extract coffee. So we ended up just doing a pump replacement. The pump that was in here was a EAP5. These, along with other local vibratory pumps, have an auto lifespan of about 7 years. This one is about 10 years old. So it was about time for a replacement. I replaced it with the EAX5, which has a brass fitting up front. It's otherwise identical. And that's fine for this machine. It's the fitting that connects to the pipe is made of metal. If it were plastic, you couldn't do that. So right now I have a machine heated up. It's 97C, as you can see on the PID. And I'm just going to do a test shot to double check the pump. So I have it in coffee mode. The steam valve is closed. See, goes to about 9 bar. Actually, it goes to about 10. So it might be worth adjusting that back down. But some people like it at 10 bar. Actually, I'm not sure if these are adjustable. But yeah, I'm just gonna stop right there. Maybe a little bit short, but it's the shot we have. It's a nice crema, 3 layers. Then I'm also going to first I'm gonna put it in water mode and open this up. And as you can see, when I turn the pump on, water comes out. And then turning this off, bring it in steam mode. There you go. Yeah, I'll wait for that. Wait for the steam to warm up. Alright, so now it's heated up. So yeah, we have good steam. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching.